Good morning guys, welcome back dito sa aking diaries. In today's episode, I will be sharing to you my chicken routine in the morning. Maliwanag na, pero maya maya natin sila papalabasin. Before that, mag-prepare muna tayo ng kanilang pagkain for today. So nakukolekta namin sa palengke. So ayan yung binibigay. Wait muna tayo guys, buksan na natin yung bahay ng mga chicken kasi alas 6 na. Kailangan nila makalabas.
Wake up, really gonna rise in the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Ayan na guys, yan na yung routine nila tuwing umaga. Ayan sila. So mamaya pa yan sila, alam na mamaya pa sila papakainin eh. Medyo nasanay na sila sa time ng kanilang pagkain. So silip tayo dito sa loob, by the way. Nag-set up na ako ng mga ayan, nesting boxes. Pero sa ngayon, nakataob pa lang kasi meron tayong sinusunod na program sa each and N. So yan guys, so excited na ako sa kanilang first drop ng kanilang itlog. So yan guys, so tuloy na natin yung ginagawa natin sa pag-prepare ng kanilang pagkain. So makita, ayan sila. So yan sila pag unang first thing in the morning paglabas nila sa kanilang bahay. Yan kagad sila. Ayan, naghahanap ng makakain. Guys, let's eat breakfast. Ang aming ulam ay toyo, coffee, of course the kanin. Father and Son of the Spirit. Bless us, Lord, in this day. Switch about the receive the bounty to pass, O Lord. Amen. Kain tayo guys. Wow, sarap. Sarap.
Good move, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time, it's how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I love to do it cause the sensation.
Look at the scenery, very relaxing, green. Sarap ng ulam, tuyo, probinsyang probinsya.
Masarap talaga ng
Partner mo pa sa natural na vinegar, coconut vinegar. Sarap.
Sabi ng mga manok mo, ang mo natin, kumakain na. Nandun tayo, hindi pa.
Sabi naman ng iba, hey guys, relax lang kayo dyan. Mga muna tayo dito. Hanap muna tayo ng machitcha natin. Maya pa yun, wala pang time. Kayo naman, masyado kayo. Diba? Masyado kayong atahat.
Feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and f*** all the doubters, they're just young downers.
Yun guys, binigyan natin sila ngayon. Mauubos yan. Binigyan natin sila ngayon ng maraming gulay para buong araw busy lang sila.
It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring. Yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart? Are you mean? Got some scars, have some needs. Are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God, they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm f***ed off at these f***ing clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. No one gets these f***ing clowns. I won't stop, they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Guys, yan, makikita nyo, maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. Shout out tayo sa mga nanonood sa atin sa ibang bansa. Kay Omar from Qatar, maraming salamat sa pagsuporta. Maraming salamat sa pagpanonood. Thank you so much. Shout out kay Ate Sally na nasa Cyprus nanonood. Cyprus. Shout out din kay Ate Ruby at sa family from Poland. At sa kay Aisa at Amistadi family na nasa Italy, maraming salamat sa panonood. Hope you enjoy this video. Feeding the chicken in the morning, feeding vegetables. At so maraming salamat. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang videong ito, please don't forget to like. At kung bago pa kayo dito sa aking channel, please don't forget to subscribe. At yan na muna ang ating update dito sa ating farm. Maraming salamat. Bye!
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. All I think